Hi, good evening, everyone. Yes, students, how are you? Good evening, students. How are you all? Why there are very many less students who have subscribed? You are able to see me, Hana, so you can judge how I am. That's very nice. A person should be always blessed, fit, fine, healthy, and should be enjoying his life. Yeah, that's really true. And that is the only requirement. And if the person is having that, then he can learn something, he can do something, he can perform well in others. I'm all right, perfect, blessed. So, we are doing actually active and passive voice, and we have done many of the, you can say, tenses also. May I know which tenses we have completed? Yes, list up, quickly list up. आप लोगों ने notes बनाए होंगे. Open up your notes and mention all the tenses which we have completed in the class. सारे notes निकालने चले गए? No one is typing. Simple past, past perfect continuous, वो तो नहीं किया हमने. Simple past, present continuous, simple past, past continuous, past perfect. Okay, let's start with the future tenses today. So I'm sharing the link again. Open up this link, everyone. Yes, student, have you received the link? Yes, send in the group, ma'am. Did. I have sent in the group also. Please open up the link. Okay, let's start with it. ओके अगर हम सिर्फ फ्यूचर टेंस देखें सिंपल फ्यूचर तो हम कैसे लगाते हैं सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट मेक द सेंटेंसेस अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर द सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस या फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस व्हाट इज द ग्रामेटिकल रूल the grammatical rule is subject plus will plus verb की first form plus object. Now I want quickly all of you to make some sentences with this grammatical rule. Yeah, today nowadays mostly will is used, so that's why it is being said like that. Otherwise, will or shall is also fine. Perfect. She will go to Canada. We will clear the exam. Definitely, you people will clear the exam. I will go to the market today. I will try. I will try to make sentences. I will go to the church tomorrow. Go to the article वो missing है. I will try to do it. I will try to make sentences. I will go to the school. They will visit my home tomorrow. I will read the history tomorrow. I will read the history tomorrow. I will read the Indian history tomorrow. अगर मैंने इंडियन लगाया तो ये क्या था समझाया हुआ है मैंने I will read the Indian history tomorrow. She will clear the competitive exam. Okay. अगर अब मुझे इसको चेंज करना है टू द पैसिव वॉइस इट विल बी सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल प्लस बी प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाय ऑब्जेक्ट है ना जैसे आई शेल रीड अ न्यूज पेपर तो अगर मुझे ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है तो क्या आ जाएगा अ न्यूज पेपर अ न्यूज पेपर अब मुझे लगाना है विल बी अ न्यूज पेपर विल बी read a newspaper will be read by me clear I will newspaper will be read by me अगर मेरे पास एक एग्जाम्पल मैं लेके चल रही हूँ द फ्रॉम द लिंक इट इट इज आई शेल रीड द न्यूज़पेपर है ना उसको अगर मुझे पता है कि मुझे ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है तो मेरे को पता है दैट अ न्यूज़पेपर इज अ सब्जेक्ट फॉर द पैसिव वॉइस अब मेरा ग्रामेटिकल रूल कहता है विल बी लगेगा है ना अ न्यूज़पेपर विल बी देन रेड बाय मी गेटिंग अब कोई है जिसको ना समझ आया हो द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम विल बी क्लियर्ड बाय हर परफेक्ट आएगा द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम विल बी क्लियर्ड बाय हर नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस बुद्धि विल रिपेयर हिज बाइसाइकिल बुद्धि विल रिपेयर हिज बाइसाइकिल इसको कैसे लिखेंगे करेक्ट है द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम विल बी ऐसे लिखो द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम भी लिखो विल बी क्लियर्ड बाय हर बुद्धि विल क्या था क्वेश्चन? Buddhi will repair his bicycle. His bicycle will be repaired by Buddhi. Yes. Clear, everyone? Next question. They will pay the tax. The tax will be paid by them. We will start this meeting. This meeting will be started by us. We will start this meeting. This meeting will be started by us. Clear? So let's do one exercise to make it more clear, more understanding. Okay, please open up this link, everyone, for the exercise of the future. I'm sharing that in the group also. Yes, everyone has received the link. I have shared in the group also and over here also. Please open up the link. We will be doing the exercise. The question is, Jenny will buy a new computer. First is a new computer will be bought by Jenny. Very nice. Good students. Next question is, her boyfriend will install it. And what will be the answer to this? It will be installed by Hanji. It will be installed by her boyfriend. Next one. Millions of people will visit the museum. The museum will be visited by millions of people. The museum will be visited by millions of people. Our boss will sign the contract. Our boss will sign the contract. The contract will be assigned by our boss. The contract will be assigned by our boss. Next, you will not do it. It will not be done by you. It will not be done by you. They will not show the new film. The new film will not be shown by them. They will not show the new film. The new film will not be shown by them. He won't see Sue. Sue will not be seen by him. Yes, Sue will not be seen by him. Next, they will not ask him. He will not be asked by them. Will the company employ a new worker? Will an है ना, क्वेश्चन है तो हमें पता है जो हमारा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है उसको हम क्या कर लेते हैं, ऑलवेज वो सब्जेक्ट की फॉर्म में, मतलब स्टार्टिंग में आ जाता है. विल अ न्यू वर्कर विल बी एम्प्लॉयड बाय द कंपनी. विल द न्यू वर्कर बी एम्प्लॉयड बाय द कंपनी. Will the plumber repair the shower? Will the shower be repaired by the plumber? Will the shower be repaired by the plumber? Okay. Now I will just state the question and you are going to answer. Fine. Okay, the first one is no link is there. Just listen to the question and try to give the answer. So please listen to the question very carefully. Frank will have ordered the drinks. Frank will have ordered the drinks. Frank will have ordered the drinks. The drinks will have been ordered by Frank. Okay, next question is you will have spent all the money. You will have spent all the money. You will have spent all the money. All the money have been spent by you. All the money have been spent by you. All the money will have been spent by you. I will have taken the dog for a walk. I will have taken the dog for the walk. The dog The dog will have been taken for a walk by me because I said for a walk. I will have taken the dog for a walk. So the answer will be the dog will have been taken for a walk by me. She will have sold the car. The car have been sold by her. She will have sold the car. The car will have been sold by her. Okay, next one. They will have solved the problem. The problem will have been solved by her. सॉरी अगर वो दे है तो क्या आएगा द प्रॉब्लम विल हैव बीन सॉल्व्ड बाय देम शी विल नॉट हैव रीड द बुक द बुक विल नॉट हैव बीन read by her she will have not she will not have read the book the book will not have been read by her they will not have trusted him he will not have been trusted by them he will not have been trusted by them he won't have run he won't have rung Barbara Barbara will not have been Barbara will not have been rung by him will they have paid the bill will they have paid the bill Will the bill have been paid by them? Will the bill have been paid by them? Will you have washed my socks? Will my socks have been washed? Yeah, good. So I think the things are clear. सॉक्स के स्पेलिंग सही कर लो जी. SOX कौन लिख रहा है? SOCKS होते हैं. हमेशा हैव से पहले नॉट आता है. हमेशा जो नॉट है दैट इज बिफोर द हैव. ओके, क्लियर. So let's do the next one. Again, sharing that in the group. The link for you. Open up this link. Sorry. Let's start with the future continuous tense. As we know that in the future continuous, the grammatical rule is subject plus will be, she will be, है ना? Then verb की first form plus ing plus object. ऐसे ही होता है. She will be doing her work. ठीक है. So now with this grammatical rule, make some sentences. Subject plus will be plus verb की first form plus ing plus object, which is the grammatical rule. वो सिंपल पास्ट नहीं था, वो परफेक्ट वाला था. अभी मैं करवा रही हूँ सिर्फ कॉन्टिन्यूअस, वो भी फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस. फर्स्ट रिकॉल करो कि फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस आप कैसे लिखते हो. शी विल बी कॉलिंग मी टुमारो. I will be trying to finish this project by today. They will be having a party tonight. Tomorrow will be a holiday. It is not continuous. He will be performing at the show tomorrow. KGF Chapter 2 will be releasing soon. I will be going to the market tomorrow. We will be having a test tomorrow. Good. Tomorrow will be going. Tomorrow I will be going to the shopping. With the market. ये क्या बात है. अब अगर मुझे इसको कन्वर्ट करना है तो मेरे लिए क्या आएगा. शी विल बी है ना? इसमें आएगा सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी प्लस बीइंग प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. व्हाट वुड बी द ग्रामेटिकल रूल? सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म, सॉरी, सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी प्लस बीइंग प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाय द सब्जेक्ट, है ना? यही आएगा. क्लियर? विल बी बीइंग, विल बी बीइंग प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. आर यू क्लियर विद इट? सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी प्लस बीइंग प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. Yes. Now we will be taking some of the questions. He will be doing a test tomorrow. A test will be being done by him tomorrow. According to our grammatical rule, a test will be being done by him tomorrow. They will be watching the movie on the next Saturday. The movie will be being watched by them on next Saturday. The movie will be being watched by them on next Saturday. A test will be being done by him tomorrow. Yes, the movie will be being. Mita will be increasing her value next time. Mita will be increasing. Her value will be being increased by Mita next time. She will be applying a job tomorrow. A job will be being applied by her tomorrow. A job will be being applied by her tomorrow. Sinta will be learning her lesson next week. Her lesson will be being learnt by Sinta next week. Her lesson will be being learnt by Sinta next week. Her lesson. The video is being closed by Racha ma'am. Okay, let's do the exercise for it. Okay, now you are having. Yes, students. Now we are going to do the exercise for future continuous passive tense. Just give me a second. I'm just searching for it and I will be giving you. News for. Okay, if I say the sentences, she will be walking the dog when we get home. She will be walking the dog when we went him. Write down the sentence first. She will be walking the dog when we get home. Then what would be the answer? She will be walking the dog when we get home. She will be walking the dog when we get home. The dog will be walked when we get home. The dog will be walked by her when we get home. जिन्होंने ये लिखा है बिल्कुल सही है. The dog will be walked by her when we get home. Next, the mechanic will be fixing the car at 5. The mechanic will be fixing the car at 5. The car will be being fixed by the mechanic at 5. The car will be being fixed by the mechanic at 5. Next, the pilot will be turning on the seat belt sign just after takeoff. The pilot will be turning on the seat belt sign just after takeoff. The next sentence, will be being turned off by the pilot just after the takeoff. Very good, Shivam. The seat belt sign will be being turned off by the pilot just after the takeoff. The priest will be overseeing the wedding on the Sunday. The priest will be overseeing the wedding on Sunday. The priest will be overseeing the wedding on Sunday. The wedding will be the wedding क्या आएगा? Being overseen by the priest on Sunday. Yes. अच्छा जी, अब मुझे ये बताओ, एक चीज मैं वैसे मिड में पूछ रही हूँ, फिर हम करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस भी. अब कौन सा कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम आने वाला है और किन किन लोगों ने फिल किया है? यस, विच एग्जाम इज गोइंग टू अपेयर? नबीब तहसीलदार. यू हैव द ये कब कब हैं एग्जाम्स? लेट मी नो द डेट. And what is the syllabus for Nabeeb Tehsildar and IB, which is in the March? Whosoever is having the syllabus, इट्स नैब तहसीलदार। अच्छा जी, इसका एग्जाम का सिलेबस क्या है इंग्लिश का? जिसके पास बी है, आपने किसने फिल किया है ये बताओ। किसने फिल किया है? तहसीलदार वाला सबने फिल किया है ना अप्रोक्सीमेटली। एंड इट इज इन फेब्रवरी। ज्योतिका आपने क्यों नहीं किया? वाई आदर्स? क्यों नहीं किया? अगर स्टिल डेट है तो यू शुड ऑल फिल द एग्जाम। कितनी फीस है ज्योतिका? मतलब 3000 इज द फीस एंड दैट इज टू हाई। ये तो है। ज्योतिका, आप कोई पार्ट टाइम जॉब नहीं करते हो? क्या आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन है? जिन लोगों को फीस इशू लगता है, व्हाट इज देयर क्वालिफिकेशन? तो आप लोग कोई पार्ट टाइम जॉब नहीं करते हो? अगर जॉब करोगे तो क्लासेस कैसे अटेंड करोगे? ये भी तो बात है। देन हाउ यू विल प्रिपेयर? ओ सो सॉरी बच्चे। आपका कौन सा बिजनेस था राधा? Yeah, there are a lot of difficulties. Okay, you make teddy bears. Very nice. People in my class are really very skillful. नहीं नहीं, यू जस्ट वर्क हार्ड। आप कुछ ना कुछ, कोई ना कोई एग्जाम क्लियर हो जाएगा, बीच में नहीं रहोगे। बिल्कुल। इतना बड़ा अगर हमारा है कि हमने आईएएस बनना है, तो थोड़ा बहुत तो हार्डशिप्स तो आएंगी, बट वी विल क्रॉस इट, है ना? ट्राई करा करो जो चीज हो सकती है। Very good, Pooja, that you are teaching in a school. That's really a good news. वेरी गुड. गॉड ब्लेस यू. अच्छा, मैं ये कहना चाहती थी कि जब भी एग्जाम्स आते हैं जो रीच में है, जो पॉसिबल है. यस, डेफिनेटली. ज्योतिका, कोई भी जॉब हो, प्रेशर रहता है. एंड इट इज रियली डिफिकल्ट टू स्टडी अलोंग विद द जॉब. जॉब के साथ स्टडी इफेक्ट होती ही होती है. एक इसलिए अगर हमारे ड्रीम्स हाई हैं तो हमें पहले उनके ऊपर वर्क करना पड़ेगा. वंस वो ड्रीम्स जो हैं, दैट यू वी आर एबल टू अचीव दैट ड्रीम्स, तो फिर उसके बाद तो जॉब ही करनी है ना. आई नो दिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फेज. विदाउट अर्निंग इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव. बट स्टिल अगर पढ़ना है तो करना पड़ेगा. फिर अच्छी तरह से पढ़ ही लेते हैं, है ना, ताकि हम लोग अपने जो ड्रीम्स हैं उनको कवर कर सकें. हम बिल्कुल जी, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. पूरा है विश्वास. Yes, definitely we will do it. Don't worry. All days are not the same. क्या हुआ इसको, राधा? ओ, गेट ट्रीटेड. डॉक्टर को दिखा लो बेटा. हो जाएगा बेटा, ठीक हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी. यस, व्हाट ज्योतिका इज सेइंग, जस्ट फॉलो दैट आल्सो. और देखो. Okay, let's do one, 2, 3 more examples for the future continuous. I hope the dinner will be being cooked when I get home. I hope the dinner will be being. ये तो मैं फिर वही बता रही हूँ, है ना. Okay, change it into the active voice. I hope the dinner will be being cooked when I get home. Yes, when I get home, the dinner will be cooked. I am giving the passive sentence and saying you to convert it into the active sentence. When I get home, the dinner will be cooked. Okay. This time next week, that will be being painted by 25 young artists. The next time, this time next week, that wall will be being painted by 25 young artists. This time next week, that wall will be being painted by 25 young artists. The This time the wall will be painted by 25 young artists. The wall will be painted this time by 25 young artists. बिल्कुल. Next one. The match will be being played at 7:30 because of the traffic problems. The match will be being played at 7:30 because of the traffic problems. The match will be being played at 7:30 because of the traffic problems. The match will be being played. The match will be played at 7:30 because of the traffic problems. फिर आएगा because of the traffic problems match will be played at 7:30. The बिल्कुल सही है. बस हमें पता ही है कि हमें फ्यूचर में लगाना है उसको. At 7:30 because of the you should have penned down Jyotika on the notebook and then should have penned out, then should have typed over here in the comment section. Because of the traffic problems, the match will be played at 7:30. बिल्कुल ठीक है. So have you got these sentences? समझ आया? नोट्स बना रहे हो एक्टिव पैसिव के? 4th क्लास है ये. 2 more classes and it's going to finish. मैंने आपको बोला था 6 दिन लगेंगे इसको. ठीक है जी ज्योतिका. वेरी नाइस. हाँ जी बताओ बच्चे क्या रिक्वेस्ट है. क्लास टाइमिंग्स. टेस्ट लूं क्लास टाइमिंग्स क्या इशू है. ठीक है जी. I will send you in the group one. Let me make it and I will be sending you. ठीक है. Sure. I will be sending you all the grammatical rules. Let me complete once active passive and then I will be just writing the tense means active also and the passive also. That means obviously the rule of the tense एंड हाँ जी जरूर टेस्ट होगा आपका, अब रेगुलर ही होया करने टेस्ट, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, स्टाफ मेंबर्स हैव डिस्कस्ड। हो जाएगा, possibilities, and let me complete the tenses and I will give you the you can say grammatical rule ka PDF. Okay, and rather it can be pen, you can say written with the pen, but we will give you. Okay ji, good night, take care, God bless you all, may you learn lot and lot, and may you achieve success in life, our future IAS officers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Bye. Good night. God bless you everyone. Good night.